Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your game files. Make a backup of the CFG folder so you can revert if needed. Once done, close Assetto Corsa and any wheel software. Next, open the installation path, steam/steamapps/common/Assetto Corsa/CFG, and load the relevant controller and Assetto Corsa ini files in a plain text editor. Now begin by finding force feedback and torque-related entries. This is the first actionable step, because changing these lines is what removes. You now adjust the core values. Locate lines named force feedback, FF strength, or FF multiplier, and change them to 0. This removes the FFB signal in most builds. Once you set those, check any steering lock or scale lines that can indirectly apply torque and reduce them accordingly. Make sure to save the file with UTF-8 encoding. After saving, keep the editor closed and do not launch the game yet, because the wheel software may override these values if it's running. You finish by eliminating software conflicts and testing. Open your wheels profiler, for example, Logitech, Fanatics, or Thrustmaster, and disable or set all force feedback effects to 0, including spring and damper. Then launch Assetto Corsa, confirm the in-game FFB slider is 0, and run a quick test drive to verify the wheel stays passive. If you still feel torque, restore your backed up CFG, reboot, and try the edits again. One key troubleshooting tip is to reset the wheel driver if overrides persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.